tension. On the one hand, we're enchanted and drawn to the beauty and the history of the castles and the churches and the architecture of old Europe, but wanting to totally cut us off from this time period. I mean, it almost boggles the mind.
Yeah, I think part of it is a rejection of a classical notion of authority. I don't mean something that's authoritarian, but rather that the persons of who gave us our culture bear a weight, a gravity, an authority in our lives that warrants our reverence. So Socrates and Plato and Aristotle dismissed as dead white males. But Socrates gave his life in poverty to teach and to help each person he encountered to be better. And he knew how to hold his post as a soldier. He knew how to hold his post as a fellow Athenian, as a teacher. And people dismiss that. And they go, oh, well, he's just a dead white man. Philosophy is just part of Western imperial culture and that sort of thing. But philosophy is the love of wisdom. It's the love of learning. It's the love of your citizens, your love of your neighbor,